Hey guys, welcome back. Super excited about this build. It's a pork belly chassis. It's my main rig. I'm gonna be showing you guys how to build a pork belly chassis made from hybrid polymer. It's very durable, impact resistant, it's super flexible. That's like the craziest thing about this chassis. You get more articulation, and I'll be walking you guys through this. So before I get started, I want to give a huge shout out to SpeedTech RC. I got this at JJ Customs. I'm really excited about a direct power servo. I run direct power servos on almost all my rigs, and this one looks pretty sweet. I've heard a lot of good things about this, so I'm gonna try it out. Tray slash speed controller. I don't have one on my rig currently. This is the one from mine, but I'm gonna be using one in this build for sure. And I just want to show you guys how to build it. So you got a top and a bottom. The top is supposed to go for your battery, the bottom for your electronic speed controller. Put all the weight on your axle, your front axle, and this is supposed to go right here. If you have an servo on axle, you're gonna mount this right here. You're gonna get enough space for your servo right here. You're gonna have your electronic speed control, and your battery will go on top. You get a nice bumper roller right here. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, RES Concepts makes a skid plate, and it also provides the long screws that replace set screws. It makes it a lot easier to replace rod ends when you're out on the rocks, and if you break one, easy. Screw it out, replace the rod end, screw it back in, no set screws. I love that part. So far, only difference is the battery ESC tray. Everything else is the same. start to finish. Everything ready to go. Drive shaft, transmission, electronics, motor, just everything done up. Electronic battery tray right there. This thing got the works. Just some key points I want to point out about this pork belly build. Just amazing, crazy flex right here. Always get that traction on all four wheels depending where you're going. This body will allow you just to mold and flex to the rocks.
Oh, I got donuts. Yeah, donuts.
The side hill on this thing, just the balance, what you can do with this thing, it's really amazing and crazy.
Yeah, no, the first time I tried to do it, I was like,
When I first tried it, I was blown away. It's a chassis that doesn't react like any other chassis you have out there before. So every other LCG chassis is not going to be the same to this. This is going to be a completely different thing. Just the body, the flexing, the way the thing drives. You kind of want to go over rocks with other chassis. With this one, this thing just wants to wrap around the rock and pull its weight.
video clipping at the same time.
Such a crazy beast on how you can actually drive it and recover from something you're about to fall. In some instances where we're trying these crazy lines, it almost looks nearly impossible. I'm not gonna lie to you, the rig is like this, and this thing's able to balance and pull its weight back. There's things where it's just like hanging off rocks. I actually have a video I'm gonna post up and show you guys where this thing's just hanging off the rocks, and instead of pulling back, the wheel back here is like this, but the rig is still able to pull itself back together and keep going around. something I've never seen before. Just wild, crazy. You just gotta try it out, give it a chance, build it together. There's so many other people that build it, not just color wise, but just different way they put forward mounted motor. They don't use the battery tray. They use the battery tray. They relocate everything, 4-wheel steer. It's just, the options are endless. You guys got to try this. For me personally, one of the best chassis I've ever had, and I will continue using this thing. What else can I say about this? It just gives you the maximum flex, ability to crawl, side hill, traction on all tires. You guys got to try this out. Pork belly, shoot, number one for me right now. Thanks guys for watching. Hopefully it helps you guys, some of you guys out. Have any questions, send us a message. We got a group chat on Facebook always. There's a page, Bay Area RC Crawler. We're always willing to help. There's a lot of us right there on that page. Have any questions for us, build, post questions, follow us there. Later guys.